our room, 3232 in New York.
We'll start with the
Kitchen.
mini kitchenette. Microwave oven there. Hob, toaster, sink. Cupboards fully stocked. It's not a dishwasher.
No, it's just a cupboard with
Put
a
more stuff
colander.
in. A fridge there.
Yep,
Yeah.
just a few drawers with.
All utensils and stuff
Yeah.
there.
Oh my
Good
goodness.
stuff, okay.
Literally
Pots and
pots and pans, yeah.
2 queen size beds.
Behind the door, which I didn't notice, is where your wardrobe, but we'll come back
Right,
to that.
okay.
Right, my neck.
There's not much of a view this side. I'll just open the window and see what you can see.
Hi. I keep kicking you.
So you've got a coffee machine there, ice bucket,
Coffees.
teas, coffees. The Pringles you pay for, Kurt, yeah?
4 for the Pringles, 3 for the peanuts.
Okay.
4 for the Red Bull, and the Coke, and the water's free.
The
Right.
water's free. Cool.
And the Coke, yeah?
No, the Cokes.
So just the water's free.
Just the water's free.
Okay. Right, there's your wardrobe and stuff there, and into the bathroom. It's a tub shower. Just the duck on your way in there. All your products and stuff. Plenty of storage.
Yeah.
Okay, and that is our room review here.
Hold on a sec.
Oh,
Safe.
safe, hairdryer and iron there.
I don't know where the ironing board is though. Unless.
It'd be perhaps no ironing board. We've got an iron but no ironing board, but that's okay. So thanks guys, that is our room review here at Hotel 3232 in Manhattan, New York. See you all real soon guys.